Check this out, everybody. This is a blast from the past. Some of you may not even know what this is, but this is a payphone. And back in the day, you could get 10 cents, put it in here, and you can call somebody. It's very rare to see these now. But this is a payphone. Now everybody has cell phones. They don't even use payphones. This one's been broken into. This is the receiver here. And then you push those buttons. You get your change back right here. Your change is coming through here. I shouldn't be touching this, but I got hand sanitizer. Wow, this is truly a rare sight. All right, talk to you soon.